Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove connected apps from Google account. So that works on any app connected to the Google platform. So Gmail, Drive, whatever, just go to the settings or go to your account using your Google account. So any Google related app, you can access those same settings that I'm about to show you. So go ahead to Gmail, for example, right? I'm gonna go ahead to Gmail. The same process will be done in different apps. So not worry, you can use Google Drive and manage to access your Google settings. So go ahead and click your name at the top right, and under your name, click manage your Google account. So you're gonna see right here personal info, data privacy, swipe left, and you're gonna see security. We're gonna scroll rapid fire because there is private information, and I'm gonna stay right here, your connections to third-party apps and services. I'm gonna go ahead and see all connections, and I'm gonna cancel the platforms that do not serve me or I don't use anymore. So let's say our reader. So I could go ahead and delete all connections you have with Artbreeder and double click to confirm that you want to delete all of your data, all the things related to Artbreeder. So hit confirm, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.